Hey guys, Blaine here. So I'm working on this ariens snowblower with a 21.5 horsepower Briggs motor. It came in for a no start, so I took the carburetor apart. This was what was in the carburetor. Luckily, I had another bowl, so I used the other bowl. But the gas tank also looked like this. But I used the vinegar solution I always use, and it's clean. There's no rust deposits left in there. But this is the vinegar we use. Really good stuff. It's very powerful. Even look at the fitting. It's like brand new. But follow for more content. Please like, subscribe, share this video, whatever you got to do. Drop a comment, whatever. Have a good one, guys.